We have really cold. We need
drum roll.
or scissors.
Thank you. I'm not very strong.
We're not having a pilot for this game. Sully, you're still going. No. Keep going. Okay, and
Whoa.
wait. This is Sheehan. Wait. We have tape. For the 8th annual National
Ooh,
Put
a
that on
poster.
Mariah's face. We have wiffle balls. So should we? I'm not opening this. They're gonna get everywhere. We can count them. Like there's five. There's not five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 12. One bag. Wait, we
Go.
got a book.
Yeah, I know. Get the book. I'm excited about the book.
Tell us to. Okay. We
I'm
got
recording.
How to Make a Spaceship. This is by Julian Guthrie. I got a 3. What's it about? I'm sorry. It's how to make a spaceship. Wait, there's a fire in it.
It's gonna ruin the smell.
Starship Technologies. I'm sorry, Sanjana. It is. Please accept this incredible book as a gift. Oh, this is great. Why don't we do this every year?
Yeah, I know.
I kind of want to see it though. Okay, here's Sanjana.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, I want to open
That's some
this
good
one
feeling.
by T.I.
Oh, it smells
No,
so
by
good.
Rev Robotics. We got a kit pack from Rev Robotics in Texas. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is either. We got 2 new motor controllers. Oh my gosh. Yes, we have a flat wide cable. I don't know what that is. There's a really long one and then there's a. There should be. There's one with.
Hi!
Yes, I want to look at them. I want to see how beautiful they are. I'm gonna make a pile of stickers if that's okay. How do you open them? No. We have one Ethernet cable. Okay.
Here, we can move all these bags out of the way, and then put the loose stuff back in.
Okay. Don't give me the CA glue, please.
Oh, it's a gear.
Wait, this is what the gear is. Oh, Mariah. Is this one gear?
No, it's 2.
No, I think it's one. But we can't launch the gears.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Wait, we got 2 new sim motors.
Oh my god.
It's a big one.
I like how we're just getting excited over it all. Robot signal light. Safety light.
Oh, hey. No, I don't have.
Yep.
Whenever they
Okay,
open
there it is.
the person,
A
they
gyro.
they
We have the gear screwed.
You like put them together?
Oh, to put them together? Yeah, you screw it together. Oh.
Oh.
We get a new router? You're right. I'm so happy.
That's a radio.
She's. Here we go. Router. Oh. There we go. And we have an alumni calendar and expo marker.
Expo marker?
Long.
I'm really
Can we open this?
Yes, open it.
Y'all
I
get
want to see what it
patches.
looks like. Mine's the markers at the end.
That's not it.
Oh, it's like a top bottom thing. Oh my gosh. Oh.
How many calendars are there?
One. First
Probably
pulls you
12.
in the right direction. Wait.
Ooh, fancy.
Oh. Wait, we have to
Were
turn
enough
in.
people not
Dean's
knowing what
list.
stuff was. that they
Chairman's
didn't
has to be
know.
turned
Wait,
in on the
Maddie,
9th.
where's
These are wheels.
down Banebox kit?
Okay, main box kit. Yeah. What is hex hub? Yeah, we have 2 of them, I think. No, we have 1 hex hub, 1 round hub. Never mind.
Check Vex Pro.
Oh, this is heavy.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, Morgan.
Hey, I need this sack. Like,
I have my own knife.
No, Brian said don't throw it, and I said I trust Sully that he wouldn't throw it. Everyone else says I don't have this on
Oh yeah.
This is electronic stuff.
Normally, I actually
There's two. Wait. There's one bag motor and two more sim motors. We have 4 new motors.
Oh, bubble wrap. Sorry. That's what
How
I
many
was
motors did we
about.
get?
Okay, so we got one bag, two sim, and one mini sim.
It was in the kid parks property. Just lose the two.
Is that like,
on this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
I guess.
Aegis?
That's the word to put in the
There is no Aegis bag. Is it that one? Garbage. Spherical rod end. Wait, is this shaft?
what is it?
It's a shaft.
What is it?
Yeah, it's big.
It's full of 2 L's.
And we can put things back in the bag as we check them out.
Oh, you're pronouncing that wrong.
Oh, they're small things.
Oh, it's a little
Oh.
sticker.
Yes!
Why did they give that to us?
Yeah.
I love stickers, guys.
Do we have 2 of them?
We have a 2 shaft college, 1/4 inch.
2 shaft collars. I'm looking. Wait.
The silver rim
It's gotta be similar. Oh, wait, no.
I don't think the collar for a dog. It's for shafts.
I think those are it. No,
I
that's
should just put my
no,
commentary
those
in
are
there.
These are fuses.
What's that? What's that?
What is this? Another
What's that?
stickers!
It's Target.